Welcome to MES College Marampally e-learning.
Hello everyone, I'm Lydia Dominic, Faculty, Animation Graphic Design Department, MES College, Marampally. Mass media. Mass media helps us to be informed about what is going around the world. In this video, we are going to discuss about mass media, its relevance and significance.
Let's look what is mass media. The mass media are diversified media technologies that are intended to reach a large audience by mass communication. The technology through which this communication takes place varies. Broadcast media, such as radio, recorded music, film, television, transmit their information electronically. Print media use a physical object such as newspaper, book, pamphlet, or comics to distribute their information. The digital media comprises both internet and mobile mass communication. Internet media provides many mass media services such as email, websites, blogs, and internet based radio and television. Mass media are the powerful means that do not only influence today's world but also shape the globe of tomorrow. In this case, mass media perform essential tasks in order to cast its effect to the audience and maintain the society. We can classify the functions of mass media into two categories: general functions and specific functions. Now let's look what are the general functions: information, education, entertainment, and persuasion. Information. It is the main function of mass media. While information is the power of knowledge, it can be objective, primary, subjective, and secondary. Media disseminates information mostly through the news broadcast on radio, TV, as well as newspaper or magazines. Moreover, advertisements are also mostly for information purpose. Education. Media presents education and information side by side. It provides education in different subjects to people of all levels. They try to educate people directly using different forms of content. Dramas, documentaries, interviews, and many other programs are arranged to educate people directly. Mass media is used as a successful tool of mass awareness. Entertainment. Mass media fulfill this function by providing amusement and assist in reducing tension to large degree. Newspaper and magazines, radio, television, and online medium offers stories, films, serials, and comics to entertain their audience. Sport, news, film review, columns on art, and fashion are other instances. Persuasion. Another function of mass media that deals with the messages aimed at subtly changing the attitudes of receivers. That is, influence on others' mind. Mass media influence audiences in different ways. Media content build opinion and agendas to people's mind. Now let's look what are the specific functions: surveillance, interpretation, socialization, and linkage. Surveillance. It denotes observation. The function of mass media is to observe the society closely. News about films is played at local theatre, stock market prices, new products, fashion ideas. These are some examples of this instrumental surveillance. Next is interpretation. The mass media do not just give facts, data, but also explanations and its interpretations of events and situations. News analysis, editorials are some of the examples for this interpretation. Socialization. It is a transmission of culture. Media is a reflector of society. Whenever a person reads newspaper or watches television, individuals know how people respond on matters and what types of norms and values they perceive on situation. And the last one is linkage. The function of social media is to join together different elements of society that are not directly connected. For example, mass advertising attempts to link needs of buyers with the product of sellers. Media becomes bridge between different groups who may not have direct connection. Another example is that mass media bridges the gap between government and its citizens. Thus, media is attractive, even more important in life of adults as well as children. We get great deals of information from the different forms of media such as newspaper, films, documentaries, journals, radio, motion pictures, and more. Mass media are especially relevant to society because without the media, we would never know what is happening in the world around us. And be without the moral compass and ethical conscience needed to hold society together. The mass media has both a duty and a responsibility towards society. And this is the reason it is considered as a vital part of modern democracies. So I hope all you understood about the importance of mass media.